Hi dear, this is Reese from Shannon Classic Machine Tool Company. This is our hot-selling machine, CNC stand-by lathe. The machine has installed a GSK control system. A CNC stand-by lathe usually equipped with hydraulic chuck, hydraulic thread, and tailstock. The machine has not installed the hydraulic chuck. The hydraulic chuck usually grips the workpiece on the spindle with hydraulic force for secure clamping during rotation, and the hydraulic thread usually holds multiple tools, automatically switches tools via CNC, and the tailstock supports long workpiece with hydraulic driven quill to prevent deflection. And this is the electric components. So if you are interested in this machine, please contact me.